This dance is called SloMo, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on November 2022. There are 48 count, 2 walls. Okay, let's start with the part A, 32 count, section 1. Okay, V step, out, out, in, side touch, close touch, side touch, and then sailor step, quarter turn to left with a sweep, and then coaster step. Section 2, log shuffle forward, okay, and then left, and then pedal turn to left. Section 3, Botafogo right and left, and then quarter turn jazz box to right. Okay, and then section 4, single step and double. Side touch, double. Then side touch, double. Okay, now let me repeat part A with the count. Section 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, section 2, Section 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, now let me start with the part B. Only 2 sections. Section 1, cross, recover, side shuffle, cross, recover, side shuffle. Section 2, half pivot twice, half pivot, and then walk in place. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me repeat part B with a count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there is 2 time text with 2 counts, only half pivot. Step forward and then half turn left. Okay, with a count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you enjoy the music. I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.